हमारा मिलन एक नदी में एक नैया के ऊपर हुआ था और वो नैया में मैंने इनको एक गाना बोला, अरे भैया एमएमए क्या होता है।
Oh my God, this is, whoa.
Sanjay Dutt and Raj Kundra were present at the press conference to announce the venture of their new sports business.
Launching a sport in India that doesn't have a bat and ball is like launching a Bollywood film without music. We've done our best. We've got fighters from all over the world. Over the last 6 months, we've been training fighters in India. And it's not easy. I mean, these guys can seriously eat, so it's not been cheap. But the idea is that the international guys come down, train our Indian boys up, and we give you sportainment at its best. This wouldn't have been possible without the vision that my big brother shared with me. I went and met him a few months back and said, this is my business plan. And I have a feeling it's going to be really big here because we live in a country where everyone loves action. Our action films do so well, so let's give them some real action.
Sanjay spoke about his collaboration with Raj and more. Check it out.
We're doing a lot for the Indian sportsmen who are involved in this. Raj has got a training camp in Nasik with Daniel. He's training all the Indian fighters. And our dream is that we want our Indian fighters to be known globally, around the world. They should be fighters to be reckoned with. And that's our dream, and I hope you all support it. हमारा मिलन एक नदी में एक नैया के ऊपर हुआ था और वो नैया में मैंने इनको एक गाना बोला, अरे भैया एमएमए क्या होता है। और उन्होंने बोला कि एमएमए एक फाइट होती है, आप ज्वाइन करोगे?
For the first time in India, how does it feel to be in India?
I've wanted to come to India for a long time. The fact that I get to come see India, which is a beautiful country, and do what I love, MMA, is a great bonus.
Well, I'd like to say first thanks to Super Fight League and the people and fans of India for bringing out the beast.
What do you think about fighting in front of Indian crowds?
It's going to be interesting because the Indian crowds have never seen anything like this. So it's all about educating them and showing them what MMA is all about and watching me slap Bob Sapp around, which is always good entertainment.
James was telling a whole lot of things to you. Do you want to reply to that?
Yeah, the message is very simply, they can make the decision.
Whoa. Oh my God, this is, whoa.
हम यहाँ पे मेंस को लड़ते देख रहे हैं. आपको क्या नहीं लगता कि इंडियन विमेन फाइटर्स को भी आना चाहिए, मतलब बलशाली औरतों को?
सर, हमारा थर्ड इवेंट में we've trained 4 lady fighters from India और थर्ड इवेंट में you'll see the first female MMA fighter of India. So hats off to the girls.
बॉलीवुड में कई फाइट्स के बारे में खबरें बाहर आती है. आपके हिसाब से अब तक की सुपर फाइट किस स्टार्स के बीच में रही है?
अरे यार, मैं तो रेफरी हूँ, आप जरा नाम लीजिए तो मैं हाँ या ना बोलता हूँ.
सलमान, शाहरुख.
अरे बाप रे, वो तो पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था यार. ठीक हो गया यार.
रिसेंटली आपका और सलमान का भी बीच में कुछ ऐसी खबरें आई थी कि आप दोनों में भी कुछ
वो खबरें आप लोग ने की यार. आगे मेरा तो कोई हुआ ही नहीं था झगड़ा.
A hero can be tomorrow's loser can be the next day's hero. So there's good and bad in this, and it's exciting. And because it's unpredictable, because you get to support your Indian fighters, and it's an entertaining night, 3 hours of entertainment for the same price as a ticket to go and watch a Bollywood movie. So India lacks entertainment, and I think we're giving them something they'll enjoy.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.